Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video vlog. I started vlogging earlier coming back to my work here in Hudson, and as you know, guys, we were hit by the hurricane Hermine shop where I work, so it was all flooded, and we just came early to clean up, so ready to work again for tomorrow and tomorrow night. So I'm just coming back home, relax and have fun. You know, today's actually very cloudy here in Spring Hill, Florida, in this area. So hopefully you had a great time, and I'll see you soon with another vlog. Yeah, alright, regular vlog, guys. More stuff we're gonna do, maybe some challenges with my son, and let's see. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, Nicholas is growing fast. He's 8 years old, and he's already an independent boy. He likes to ride a bike, he likes to skateboard. He's a kid that he likes to do a lot of stuff. He's a very active child. That's what I'm very happy, that he doesn't spend too much time on the tablet or something like that. He likes to do activities outside, which is good. For all the kids out there, you can get out, play soccer, play with your bike, play with your dad, uncle, cousins, nephew, whatever they are. Have fun.
Okay.
Yes, my son is getting big. I already said that you're getting big, you're getting strong, very comfortable. You doing great?
I'm just going good health.
So he's doing great. Nico's doing great, guys. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Enjoy your family, have fun, subscribe for more videos because more videos coming up, more vlogs coming up. Alright, so we'll see you soon, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bueno, se nos fue otro ídolo mexicano, otro maestro, Juan Gabriel. Si son fanáticos a la canción mexicana, al artista Juan Gabriel, se nos fue ayer. Sí, falleció de un infarto en su casa.